Minister of Interior, Dr. Olubunmi Tunjiojo, members of the High Table, very senior officers seated here, very distinguished guests. Good afternoon. I'll be reading the citation of the 19th Comptroller General of the Nigerian Immigration Service, KemiNandap, PCC, MMIS, FSA. Mrs. KemiNandap, an indigene of Abeokuta, the Ogun State capital, was born on the 3rd of activities. Please, another round of applause.
You are protesting? Yes, because the male child is there.
To stand on the already established protocol for want of time. So first and foremost, I give all glory to God Almighty for this incredible opportunity bestowed upon me. I am deeply honored and humbled to stand before you today as the newly appointed 19th Comptroller General of Nigerian Immigration Service. I extend my sincerest gratitude to His Excellency, the President of Nigeria, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, for the trust and confidence placed in me to lead this esteemed organization. I am indeed profoundly grateful to the Honorable Minister of Interior, Dr. Olubunmi Tunjiojo, for his vision, his focus, his tireless work ethics, and leadership. I assure you, sir, that I will not disappoint you. I must also acknowledge and sincerely thank the Permanent Secretary, my own auntie. Thank you, ma'am, for the trust you have given me. and also to the board secretary, I must say a big thank you, sir. The entire board, I thank you for your unwavering support and endorsement. As I step into this role, I want to first assure our fellow Nigerians that I am fully prepared and committed to serving our nation with utmost dedication and integrity. To that end, and under the guiding principles of the renewed hope agenda set forth by His Excellency President Tinubu's administration, we will strive towards unity, growth, and development. We will prioritize the welfare of our immigration officers and personnel and enhance the ease and efficiency of engagement between the Nigerian citizens and my service. We will focus on improving the entry and acclimatization processes for compliant foreigners through various visas and residency programs. Furthermore, we are steadfast in our resolve to strengthen policies to prevent irregular migration and also to safeguard the lives of our citizens and foster positive bilateral relations. We will tighten our borders. Security will be a key objective to reduce the porosity of our borders and also enhance the overall national security of our nation. Because, as you know, a safe border is a safe nation. Investing in the capacity and skills development of our officers. We will intend to make sure that we have deliberate trainings and retrainings. That will be the cornerstone of our strategy, and we shall ensure that we are well equipped to handle the evolving challenges of migration and border management effectively. We will strive to implement revenue-generating programs to bolster the economy. We will improve foreign direct investments, and we will contribute our own tax quota, and will also aid in job creation. I assure you that in addition, we will continue to integrate cutting-edge technology to modernize Nigerian Immigration Service. Our Honorable Minister has demonstrated the power of technology in creating a seamless automated e-passport system, which has been successfully implemented. We will continue under his tutelage and his leadership to continue the reforms the service needs and to ensure that we have greater efficiency and ease for all users. Finally, I want to reiterate my profound gratitude for this opportunity and pledge to serve the Nigerian Immigration Service and our dear nation with utmost dedication and integrity. I stand before you today, sir, and I promise that I will be dedicated, loyal, and committed to all these reforms we have started, and we will definitely build upon it to make sure that the service immigration, like you said, in years to come, citizens will want to actually be part of the immigration service. They will want to be an immigration officer because of what we would have done. God is helping us. Thank you, sir.